Hello people, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Kapar here. Today I'm going to talk about another excellent scholarship opportunity. If you are looking for scholarships for 2025 to 2026 intake, this video is for you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. So let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about another scholarship opportunity, which is like Megal University Scholarship 2026. Like this is my dream university. This is the university where I gonna be like I wanted to be there, and I started searching about it. And Megal University scholarships are the best scholarship in Canada. So today I'm gonna cover about eligibility criteria, how you can apply, what is the scholarship, and what is the scholarship type, what is the amount or stipend will you get if you get the scholarship, and other related thing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I am gonna share information that will be very helpful to you guys if you wanting to apply. Okay, so I'm not gonna read each and everything in detail, but just I am gonna tell you the most important thing that you wanted to know and that you should know before applying. Okay, and as a PhD scholar or as a master's student, you should know what kind of eligibility criteria they require from you to apply, what kind of documents do you require to apply, and other related thing. Okay, so Megal University has opened for their scholarships. Let's get started. Okay, so the deadline of applying the scholarship, of applying any kind of degrees or scholarship is 1st October 2025, and I am making this video in 31st May. So you have time, take your time, prepare your documentation and prepare your, if they require any kind of test like IELTS or any other kind of test, GRE, for example. So make sure to take the test within 2 to 3 months and then apply. Okay, so take your time. Now let's talk about firstly financial support related to scholarship. Okay, so the Megal scholarships provide the full financial coverage. For example, they will give you a tuition fees. Like your tuition fees will be waived off, and the fees for the duration of the program, and then you will get monthly stipend Canadian dollars 2,000, which is like more than enough if your fees is waived off and your monthly stipend is 2,000 Canadian dollar, and you will also get the relocation allowance for student moving to Montreal. Okay, and then this package is primarily like offered through the MC called McMinn scholarship. I think yes, I have made another scholarship opportunity video, like detailed video about MC called McMinn scholarship, how you can apply over there. I have shared the each and everything in detail. I will share the link of that video in my description of this video. You guys can check from there as well, just to get to know what is the MC called McMinn scholarship. And again, these scholarship are very, very, very prestigious scholarship. So make sure to apply over there if you want to study abroad. So they focus on leadership, community engagement, and academic excellence as well. So now let's talk about the field of study at McGill University, where you can apply, what kind of fields where you can apply, what kind of program they're offering. So McGill University offer a wide range of academic disciplines. For example, interfertility studies like biological and biomedical engineering, neurosciences, quantitative life sciences as well. And if you are a agriculture environmental sciences students, so you guys can apply over there, like they are offering different programs. If you also wanted to apply, if you also wanted to study faculty of arts, so you can apply over there, like anthropology, economics, political science, psychology, and as well as education, faculty of education, faculty of engineering, faculty of law. These are much more programs you guys can opt, like natural sciences, and um, um, engineering as well, arts as well. So these are the different, like you can apply for biology, physics, chemistry, plant, earth and planetary sciences as well. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for MC Megal University or MC Paul Blackman scholarships for 2025 2026, you should okay, before discussing the eligibility criteria, just wanted to tell you guys one thing, that if you guys are applying through MCCOL Macmin scholarship, which I described over here, you guys can apply for like undergrad and masters. Okay, these scholarships are not for PhDs. So make sure if you wanted to study PhD, or if you wanted to be a scholar, so you cannot apply from through MCCOL Macmin scholarship. Okay, you guys can apply through McGill University. So for applying the PhDs, so there is a huge criteria and there is a separate criteria. I will tell you guys what is the criteria in the end of this video. So stay tuned. Okay, for PhDs. Okay, now I am talking about MCCOL Macmin scholarships, and as well as their eligibility criteria. So this eligibility criteria that I'm gonna tell you guys right now is the same for PhDs and same for masters, and as well as for undergrad students. So this is the criteria which is same for all three categories. Okay, so you have a whole bachelor's degree if you wanted to apply for masters, and if you wanted to apply for PhD, you have all the master's degree as well. You have to meet the requirement of 3 CGPA, and you have to like take the IELTS or TOEFL test. I have already shared this information with you guys, and be currently enrolled or have any completed or undergrad or grad program, then show strong leadership potential, community involvement for MCCOL Macmin scholarship. They have written over here, but MCCOL Macmin scholarship are sporting the just undergrad and master students, not for PhDs. Okay, so they have written over here a note which is very important, that applicants can write exams and dissertations in French except where English is a requirement. So yeah, that's the very important thing. So now let's talk about the application timelines and intakes. This is very important. Make sure to like write and everywhere. Make sure to take a screenshot, or make sure to like keep right in a safe place so you don't miss any update. So if you wanted to apply for fall intake, so your applications will open in September 15, and the international deadline will be January 15, and domestic deadline will be January 21. So if you wanted to apply for winter intake, so application will open in 15th February, and deadline will be 1st August, and domestic deadline will be 10th November. So now I am gonna talk about the summer intake. So this video, I am making this video in May. So the summer intake, you guys can apply for from like May 15th, and today is May 31st. I am making this video in May 31st, 2025. Okay, and the deadline is 1st October, and you guys can apply if you are not an international student, if you are from Canada. So so the deadline for you is is 1st April, which is like I think the deadline is passed. But for international students, the deadline is not passed. You guys can still apply over there. So how to can apply the McGill University scholarship? Again, you visit the McGill graduate admission page. I will give the link of this page in the description of this video as well. You guys can check from there. So you should choose your program of interest and view specific entry requirements. If they have the entry requirements, like sometimes they require the GRE, and sometimes they require the IELTS test as well. So and other tests as well. So make sure to meet the requirement, and then contact the academic department and identify a potential supervisor. This is the very important thing, and this is the prerequisite. So you have to meet this criteria as well. So the simple thing is to approach a supervisor is that make sure to take the supervisor's email from their homepage, or from their admission page, or from the faculty page, and then you just email them and just told them that you are looking for a supervisor, you want to apply over there, and this is your interest area, and you wanted to you wanted to work in that particular field. So if they have any kind of space in their group, so they will respond you back as soon as possible, and they will suggest yes, they are accepting students. So the procedure will begin after acceptance letter. So this is the simple and simplest way to approach a supervisor. So make sure to have a potential supervisor's acceptance letter for research based program. Okay, this is again for both masters and PhDs. Prepare necessary documentation including transcripts, reference letter, personal statement, proof of language proficiency, which is not in IELTS test. This is a something else. Okay, like you have to given the proof that you have read all the previous programs in English, and you guys can get proof of language proficiency uh, from your university as well. They will return they will like give you a paper with the evidence of that you have read and you have learned each and everything in English, even though English is not your first language. Okay, then make sure to submit and apply online before the deadline. So yeah, that's the thing. Now let's go and visit their official website, and I will guide you guys how you can apply and what is the eligibility criteria and how you can apply over there. Okay. Okay, so this is their official website. Let me open it. Yes, this is their official website. You guys can see from here. This is the fresh graduate students, and you guys can get all the important information from here. And this is their applicant graduate applicant portal here. And I think they have opened their admissions for like only for graduates, not for masters or PhD. Let me check first. Okay, so the most important thing for requirement and admissions that you guys can see from this page, this is the application management, and they have written in English and French as well. So make sure to log in if you are if you are not a new user, make sure to log in, and if you are a new user, make sure to create an account. So firstly, you should create your account. I'm not gonna create my own account, and you should create your own account. Just write over here your email, your first name, and then your last name, and then your birth date. Okay, after creating your account, you just have to click over here the continue. I am gonna create my account, a dummy account, just for you, give you a brief introduction. Okay, so let me create my account first. Okay, so I have filled the information, and then you have like it's written over here your admission. Sorry, you have written over here the code, temporary pin that will be sent to your to your email to your email, and then make sure to rewrite your application, your birth date, and then your birth month, and then your birth year, and then just click over here the login. And once you get the login, so you will see a huge page, and in this page you will see different sections. So first section will be your personal information. You just have to fill the personal information. Then secondly, just have to fill the your academic records, like your from your masters or sorry from your undergrads information, and then your master's information. And then if you are applying, if you wanted to apply for undergrad, just fill the relevant application, the degrees that you have right now. And then the third page will be a requirement page. In this page you just have to enter your IELTS test score, and then just have to enter your GRE score if the program is required GRE. And then you just have to fill the other required documentation if they require you, like just your passport picture or your on picture and other things related to things. So you guys can read each and everything in detail, and just give what they want to you from you. And then finally just have to submit. Okay, submit the application. So this is the procedure to apply for the admission. Once you get enrolled and once you will be accepted for the admission, then you can apply for MC Call Macmillan scholarship. Now let's go to the MC Call Macmillan scholarship, because this video is too long to watch. Just go. I think we should go to the MC Call Macmillan scholarship then. Okay, let me quickly go through from this. This is the MC Call Macmillan Scholarships homepage, and this is their scholarship. This is their applications. This is their deadlines, how to apply. And if you wanted me to give you a brief introduction of this MC Call Macmillan Scholarship again, so do let me know in the comments below. I will be sharing each and everything in detail in my next video. So you guys can check from here. You guys can see the application deadline for 2026 admissions is very near for international, for Canada and United States, like September 24, 2025. and for international is August 2025. So it is very very near, so make sure to apply. So for apply for Magal programs, they have written each and everything in detail. So just comment down below, and if you wanted me to like explain each and everything in detail. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope I shared each and everything in detail with you guys. So if you have any queries, do let me know in the comments below. I will meet you in another video with another scholarship opportunity. Till then, Allah Hafiz.